pathological hand-you-downs. So you're the one who stained them. Whoever found it, granted, you'd like me to be you, wouldn't me? But it's too late. You snooze, you lose, you sleeped, you winked, you nabble, you get slammed, you slumber, a cucumber, you catch up on some Zeds, you get out of my head, you slumber, Listen, this psyche is not big enough for two metaphysical seekers. You couldn't seek your way out of a cardboard bag. Yeah, I know, cause it would be an egg. This guy might be better than me. You're right, I am better than me. Buddy, know when you're defeated. Accept your defecation. No thanks, I'm full, cause I eat.
You for breakfast. Look at you. You look so superficial. You probably judge things by their physical appearance. Oh yeah? Your mom is so shallow. She probably thinks this quip is about her. You're about as deep as a bowl of soup, and your tongue is about as sharp as a soup spoon. Hey, say what you want about me, but lay off the soup. If you love soup so much, why don't you marry soup? Cause I'm already married to justice. Yeah, only a blind girl would marry you. I know everything you're gonna say, and I know everything you're gonna don't. Oh yeah? Well, when God was passing out insight, you thought he said that when God was passing out holy prophets, you thought he said oily faucets, cause your soul has diarrhea of the mouth. Faucet. Are you so dumb you even answer rhetorical questions? I don't know. Do you play this game all night? What's wrong? I crapped out, but I'm tough. I can suck it up. Okay,